In technical drawing, we can identify many simple objects we see every day and learn how to draw them neatly and accurately. A nut looks like a small shape with a hole in the middle. A bolt is a straight object with a round or flat head. A wheel appears as a big circle with smaller circles inside. A coin is a flat, round circle similar to a wheel. To draw these objects well, pupils must use their drawing instruments correctly. Use a ruler for straight sides, a compass for round shapes, a pencil for outlines, and an eraser for clean lines. In technical drawing, the drawing must be clear, neat, and accurate.